What's up everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here we have this nice Math Olympiad exponential equation and we are to solve this right here. So the first thing guys we want to notice that 16 can easily be expressed as 4 times 4. This 4 raised to the power of 2. Alright, so we have this to be 4 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 5 minus 4 raised to the power of what? 6. So we have this to be equal to, but we want to simply note that if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of what? Mn. Alright, so we have this to be 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 5 is 10 minus 4 raised to the power of what? 6. But 10 can easily be expressed as 6 plus what? 4. So we have this to be 4 raised to the power of what? 6 plus 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 6. But if we have a raised to the power of n plus n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n. So this is equal to 4 raised to the power of 6 multiply 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of what? 6. So we have 4 raised to the power of 6 to be a common term. So if you factor out 4 raised to the power of 6, we are going to have this to be 4 raised to the power of 4 minus what? 1. So we have this to be equal to 4 raised to the power of 6 multiply 4 raised to the power of 4 is 256 minus what? 1. So we have this to be 4 raised to the power of 6 multiply 256 minus 1 will give us 200 and what? 55. But 6 can be expressed as 2 multiplied 3. So we have this to be 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 255. So we can easily rewrite this to be 4 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 3 multiplied 200 and what? 55. This is gotten from if we have a raised to the power of n multiply n, we can easily express this to be a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of n. Alright, so this is what we applied right here. Okay, so we have this to be equal to 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. So we have 16 raised to the power of 3 multiply 200 and what? 55. So this is equal to, now we can easily express 16 raised to the power of 3 to be 16 multiply 16 multiply 16 multiply 200 and what? 55. So 16 multiply 16 is going to give us 256 times 16 multiply 200 and what? 55. Alright, so we have 256 multiplied 16 is going to give us 4096 multiplied 255. So this is equal to, now we can easily express 4096 to be 4000 plus 90 plus 6 multiply 200 and what? 55. So if we open up the brackets, we have this to be 4000 multiplied 255 plus 90 multiplied 255 plus 6 multiplied 255. So this is equals to 4000 multiplied 255. We have this to be 102000 plus 90 multiplied 255. We have this to be 22,950 plus 6 multiplied 255. We have this to be 1,530. So if we simply add everything together, we have this to be 1,044,480, and this becomes the final answer. So this is how we can easily solve this nice exponential equation right here.